Imagine finishing all your weekly tasks in just 3 days. Sounds impossible. Well, with the right AI tools, you can actually save over 10 hours every single week. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that can boost your productivity in 2025, and the best part, most of them are free or super affordable. Let's dive in. First up, Notion AI. Notion is already a popular productivity app, but with its AI features, it's like having a personal assistant inside your notes. You can use it to automatically summarize long documents, generate to-do lists from meeting notes, or even brainstorm new ideas. Instead of spending hours organizing your work, Notion AI does it in seconds. If you're a student, freelancer, or just someone who likes to keep things organized, this is a must-have. Number 2, ChatGPT by OpenAI. I know you've probably heard about it, but the new 2025 version is more powerful than ever. You can use it to draft emails, write entire blog posts, generate code, or even create content for social media. Here's the trick: don't just ask ChatGPT to write something. Give it detailed prompts, like, write a 500-word article on the future of AI in education, with a friendly tone and bullet points. The better your prompt, the better your results, and it saves you hours of writing every week. Third on the list, Tome AI. This tool creates presentations automatically. Instead of spending 5 hours on PowerPoint slides, you just type your topic, and Tome generates a professional-looking presentation with text, images, and design. Perfect for business meetings, school projects, or client pitches. Seriously, this one tool alone can save you entire workdays. Next up, Fireflies.ai. This is an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes your Zoom or Google Meet calls. No more writing notes or trying to remember what was said. It gives you an instant summary with action points. If you're in a team, this is like having a secretary who never sleeps. And finally, Opus Clip. This tool takes your long videos and automatically cuts them into short, viral clips for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. So instead of editing for hours, you upload one video and get 5 to 10 ready-to-post clips. If you're a content creator or marketer, this is a total game changer. So, those are the top 5 AI tools that can easily save you 10 hours a week, or even more if you use them smartly. Quick recap: Notion AI for organization, ChatGPT for writing, Tome AI for presentations, Fireflies.ai for meetings, and Opus Clip for content. Which of these would save you the most time? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos about the latest AI tools and productivity hacks, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.